This video will go through the steps necessary to set up an Athletic Live meet to use the AthleticField field event officiating app. The method described in this video is LocalSync, which connects each field event device to the central scoring computer using a local network. Results data is transmitted over the local network to a computer running Athletic Live Local, which is the Athletic Live middleware program available to any meet using Athletic Live. Data for the field events is then sent to the online scoreboards, the scoring computer, and optional in-venue scoreboards from the computer running Athletic Live Local. If you don't have a local network available in your venue for field event devices and you'd prefer to use an internet connection, like mobile data, to transmit results from devices to your scoring computer, see our video tutorial regarding online sync. When setting up your meet, enable AthleticField by selecting Standard Meet with Field Scoreboard add-on or Professional Meet with Field Scoreboard add-on. Under Live Field Scoreboard, choose AthleticField app and choose whether you want to show wind readings. Once you've finished configuring the other details of your meet, configuring the events and seeding your meet, set up your scoring software to export start lists for field events. For High-Tech's Meet Manager, note that you'll need the Field Event Interface plugin from High-Tech. From the Run screen, choose Interfaces, and then Setup and Field Event Scoring. From the menu that appears, choose Field Links File Sharing and click OK. Go back to the Interfaces menu, click Field Event Scoring, and choose Update Start Lists. Check the box that says Activate Update of Start Lists, and change the data location to something that's easy to find, then click OK. For Meet Pro, from the Interfaces menu, choose Field Links and then Setup. Choose a folder that's easy to find, and then click Save. If you don't already have Athletic Live Local installed, visit anet.live/alivelocal to download the latest version and install it. Note that you'll need to install Athletic Live Local on the same computer you're using for your scoring software. Start Athletic Live Local, and then open a browser and visit localhost:8150. Select the active meet by clicking Choose Active Meet and then selecting your meet from the list. Once your meet loads, choose AthleticField app from the menu on the left. Click the Edit button next to Event Directory and paste in the path of the files you exported from your scoring software. In most cases, both the event directory and the results directory will be the same. The LSS directory field is for integrating AthleticField with in-venue scoreboards, and we'll cover that separately. Once you click Submit, Athletic Live Local will process the event schedule and flight lists and show you each event in the list ready for configuration. This screen allows you to configure each field event that AthleticField will be managing. You can configure each event manually using the Edit Round buttons, if you wish. You can also batch configure all events at once. We'll cover that in a moment. Horizontal events allow you to configure the measurement type, whether you're going to record wind readings, and whether you're going to have prelims and finals. If you choose to have prelims and finals, enter how many qualification attempts there will be, how many athletes will reach the finals, and how many final attempts there will be. If you choose not to have prelims and finals, enter how many attempts each athlete will receive. For vertical events, select your measurement type. If you're electing to use alive groups, select how many people will be in the alive group, and then choose how many people need to be left at a given height to cease doing alive groups. To enter heights for vertical events, enter the starting height in boxes 1 and 2, with meters or feet in box 1 and centimeters or inches in box 2. Box 3 is the height increment. How many inches or centimeters is the bar raised each time? Box 4 is how many heights should be created. Click Calculate Heights to create all of the heights, then click Save Flight. If entering all this information for every field event seems daunting, there's an easier way to configure all the events in one batch. Click Download Config CSV. This will download a pre-formatted, comma-separated value document to your computer to quickly fill in parameters. Open the document in your favorite spreadsheet software. Each event is shown in its own row. Each column header allows you to select parameters that pertain to the event. Measurement. Enter the whole word English for measurement in inches and feet. Enter the whole word metric for metric measurement. For vertical events, you only need to worry about these columns. For horizontal events, you only need to worry about these columns. Enter wind, 0 for no, and 1 for yes. Attempts. Enter the total number of attempts if there are no finals. Qualification attempts and final attempts. Enter the number of qualifying or final attempts. Leave blank if you're not having finals. Final athletes. Enter the number of athletes you're taking to finals. Alive groups. If you're going to use alive groups, enter the group size here. Leave blank if you aren't doing alive groups. Stop alive at. Enter the number of competitors that should be remaining when alive groups should be discontinued. Start. Enter the feet and inches, or meters and centimeters, of the starting height. Step. Enter the number of inches or centimeters the bar will be raised each time. Number of heights. Enter the number of heights the bar will be positioned at. Don't forget that your vertical event officials will be able to edit the height list later if they need to from within the app. When you're finished, save the spreadsheet in CSV format, then choose Upload Config CSV on the Field App Events page. Find the file you just saved and upload it. Your events will be configured according to the parameters you entered. To load an event into a copy of AthleticField, first ensure the device is connected to the local network that the computer with Athletic Live Local is on. Open the menu and choose Settings. Change the file sync type to local, and then enter the IP address of the computer running Athletic Live Local. The port number for Athletic Live Local is 8150. Tap the Test button to test communication. A green checkmark indicates a successful test. Return to the main screen, open the menu, and choose Load Round. Select the events and flights you'd like to load to the device, then tap Save, and select a flight to begin officiating from the main menu. A brief guide to officiating can be found in our Introduction to AthleticField video. While the event is underway, Athletic Live Local will update the results export file in real time to reflect each mark recorded with AthleticField. Once the event is concluded, return to your scoring software and retrieve the marks. In High-Tech's Meet Manager, hit Get Marks. In Meet Pro, hit Get Event Results.